welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Tia with Tia and the Beasleys. If you're not familiar with me, my family, or my channel, please after this video go and watch my introduction video. I'll have that one linked at the top here as well as in the description box below. So today's video is going to be sort of a two-part video. The first part is just going to be a quick nightly cleaning of the entire downstairs. I will be cleaning my kitchen, my living room, my entryway. So this quick clean is just really to prepare the whole downstairs for me to decorate for Christmas. So that's going to be sort of the second part of this video, and I'll take you guys along with me. So let's clean and then decorate. When I was going through and editing this video, I realized that I lost the footage of me unloading the dishwasher and then loading it. So that was actually the first thing that I did when I went into the kitchen, was I unloaded the dishwasher and then I loaded it, started it, and then I washed any of the dishes that couldn't go in the dishwasher. Then I proceeded to do a wipe down of the kitchen. So now that the cleaning's done, I'm gonna go on to start decorating each room. The first thing I like to do is just lay out all of the decorations that I have, just so I can kind of get re-familiar with the decorations that we've had from previous years, as well as things that I bought on clearance after the season last year that I kind of just packed away, just so that I had it for the following year. So I like to lay everything out and kind of get everything organized and think about where I want to place everything in each room. So I will be decorating just the downstairs. So I'll be doing the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, a little bit of the bathroom, and then just a couple little items in the playroom. So I'm going to be thinking about all of that as I'm kind of sorting through all the decorations, and then I'll take the decorations and actually place them in each room, and then we'll kind of organize them and figure out where everything will go to make it look the best. So let's go. Alright guys, so that will conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the quick nighttime cleaning as well as a full downstairs decorate with me. I feel so much better now that the house is all nice and clean and it's finally decorated for Christmas. I would do it the day after Thanksgiving if you would let me, but he likes it to at least be December, so I have to wait a little while. The only thing that we have missing is our tree. Our tree is still currently in storage. We're hoping to get it this weekend to get it all set up, and then I will hopefully maybe insert a picture if we can get it set up before then. If not, maybe I'll do a separate video that just has us decorating the tree. I'm not really sure yet, but we hope to have the tree before this video actually recorded, but we just haven't got around to going to storage to actually get it. So that's the only thing that we're missing that we'll put in the living room. But aside from that, I'm just gonna sit here and relax, drink my tea, and settle in for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the little bell and it'll notify you anytime I post a new video. And I will talk to you next Monday. Bye guys!